Yes, students. So in last class we have completed the question answers. How much question answers we have completed? So first one, let us understand we have completed, and here let us write we have completed. This one also we have completed. Match the following pictures with the names we have completed. So now what we have to do? So see. So in third activity, A and B we have completed. In third activity we have to do the C activity. So actually what is this C activity? Let us see. Okay. So see here they have given here something. So about the sports only. So some games are played inside a building. Yes, we know that. So in playing in sports we can see two kinds. How many kinds we can see? Two kinds of sports we can see. So one is indoor games and outdoor games. In games we can see two types. One is indoor game and one is outdoor game. So we have to, they have given here which games are known as indoor games. For which games we have to call those as indoor games, and for which class, which games we have to call as outdoor games we have to know. So first what we will do, we will come to know what is indoor game. So for which play, which games we have to call it as indoor game. So indoor game ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, outdoor game ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. So indoor game. So in indoor games, so what we will do, indoor games are the games which are played inside a building or inside a house, inside a school. So inside a building. Okay. So whether it may be played in the school building in the sense indoor, in a class, in a home, in a room, in the hall, so wherever. So which in a building. So overall indoor games in the sense the games which are played in a building. So ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes. So once again I will repeat it. What is indoor games? Indoor games are the games which are played in a building. ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಡುವಂತಹ ಆಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ inside a building. So now we came to know. So for example, so which are the indoor games? So I told you that. So which kind of the games are known as indoor games? I told you. But examples we should know. So when we get the examples, we will get it clear. So examples nodunu yavu indoor games anodಕ್ಕೆ. So do you know any indoor games? Yes, all of we know. Chess. Yes, chess we can play in a building, in a classroom, in a room, in a home we can play. Chess is an indoor game. So ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಡುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತು ಆಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತು ಆಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಚೆಸ್ ಏನು, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ in a room, in a building. Okay. So chess, for example, chess. Yes. And carom, we play carom board. So carom we can play in a building. It's also an indoor game. And again chess, carom, and what we can call, so many are there. Chess, carom, and ludo. So we play ludo. So ludo also we can play in a building. So that is also called as a indoor game. Okay. So for example, indoor game, chess, carom, ludo, so many are we can come to know. Yes. So snake and ladder also we can play in a building. Okay. So these are the examples for indoor games. So now we have to know outdoor games. So before that I will write it on the board, what is indoor game and what is outdoor game, and the examples we will come to know. So first one we have to know indoor games. In games how many types are indoor game, and second one is outdoor game. So indoor game and outdoor game are the two kinds or two types of the games. So first what we have to know, I have told you what is indoor game. So what is indoor game? So indoor games are the games which are played in a building. Okay, games played in a building are known as indoor games. Okay, so example you can see. So for example, for indoor games, for example, which are those? Chess. Yes. And one more example, carom. One more example, ludo. And one more example we can see, snake and ladder. Okay, snake and ladder. Okay, so we came to know what is indoor game. So now, how many types are there? Two types. Indoor game we have completed. So what is outdoor game we have to know. So obviously we can come to know that. So indoor games in the sense the games which are played in a building are called as indoor games. So obviously in the sense in and out are the opposite words. So opposite meaning only this outdoor game will give. So outdoor games are the games which are played outside. So inside the games played inside a building is known as indoor game, and a game played outside is known as outdoor games. So we came to know that what is outdoor game. So what is outdoor game? So what do you mean by outdoor game? Just I have told you. As games played outside a building is known as outdoor game. So is outdoor game. So the games which are played outside a building, is known as outdoor game. Okay, students. So for example, we can see. So in easy method we can see. We can tell it the games which are played in the grounds. Playgrounds are known as outdoor games. For example, cricket. Yes, we can't play the cricket in a building. So where we can play the cricket? We can play the cricket in the ground outside a building. So for that it is known as an outdoor game. And hockey also we can't play it in a building. So for that, where we have to play? So hockey we can play it in a ground outside the building. Okay. And one more example. For example, we can see kabaddi. So kabaddi also we can't play in a building. So for that, in a ground we have to play. So for that it is also known as an outdoor game. Okay. So example for outdoor games: cricket. Yes. Hockey, kabaddi, indoor game and what is outdoor game. Okay, so on this basis, on the basis of indoor game and outdoor game. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು indoor game ಯಾವುದು outdoor game ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So what we have to do here, they have given some pictures here. See, they have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 pictures they have given. So on the basis of these games, indoor games and outdoor games, so these given games are whether they are indoor games or outdoor games, we have to identify. Okay, let us identify this. So in the first picture, here in the first picture, what these children they are doing? Yes, can you just tell me which game they are playing? Yes, they are playing carom. So carom, so is it a indoor game or outdoor game? Carom, is it a indoor game or outdoor game, students? Yes, it is a indoor game. So we can play it in a building. So this is indoor games. So here you have to write indoor game. Okay. So they have what they have given. See here, once I will read it. Some games are played inside a building, others are played outside. For example, chess is played inside, whereas hockey, the national game of India. Yes, so this one we have to know. So which is the national game of India? Cricket is the, sorry, hockey is the national game of India. So ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಟ ಯಾವುದು? ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಕಿ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಆಟ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, is played outside. Okay, so chess we can play it in a building, inside a building, and whereas hockey is played outside a building. Okay, games that are played inside are called indoor games. As we told, the games which are played inside a building are known as indoor games, and games that are played outside are called outdoor games. So games which are played outside the building are known as outside games. So here, now look at the pictures below and complete the table. See, so here they have given the pictures, here they have given the table. So we have to complete the table. So which are the indoor games and which are the outdoor games, we have to write. So first picture, what they have given in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what these children are doing, which game they are playing? They are playing carom. So carom, is it indoor game or outdoor game? It is a indoor game. Okay, so it is a indoor game. So students, here in this table we have to write it. Now bifurcate, we have to bifurcate and we have to write. So first we will get the table and after we will write it, we will complete the incompleted table. Okay students? Okay. Yes, so table, first we will make the table. So first column of the table is indoor games, indoor games, and second table is outdoor games. This is the second table. So like this they have given a table in your textbook. So what we have to do? We have to complete. So they have given incompleted table. So we have to complete it. Okay? Yes. See here in the first picture, what these children they are doing? They are playing carom. So carom, is it a indoor game or outdoor game, students? Which game it is? It is an indoor game. So for that, in which column we have to write carom? Is it in the indoor games or outdoor games? Yes, in the indoor games. So what is the answer? Carom, it is an indoor game. Okay. So we have written it in a table in a column, indoor game column. Okay, so next, so second picture, see here, what they are doing, what these people they are doing, these people they are riding the horse. So horse riding is also a game only. So horse riding, is it indoor game or outdoor game, where we have to ride the horse in the building or out of the building? Outside the building? Yes, outside the building we have to ride. So horse riding, it is a outdoor game. Okay. So horse riding, it should be done. It should be in the ground. So for that, so it is known as outdoor game. So horse ride kudri ella odisತೀರಿ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದು, ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ outdoor game. So horse riding is outdoor game. Okay, so next, so this girl, look at the third picture. This girl, what she is doing, so which game she is playing? Yes, she is playing, see here you can see chessboard, and here you can see the chess board and the coins. See what she is doing, she is playing chess. So chess, is it indoor game or outdoor game? Chess, is it indoor game or outdoor game? It is indoor game. So where we have to write chess? Is it in the column of indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, we have to write it in the indoor game column. Okay. So look at the fourth. So what these children they are doing? Which game they are playing? Kabaddi. So kabaddi, is it indoor game or outdoor game? So kabaddi is outdoor game. So kabaddi, in which column we have to do? Right? We have to write it in outdoor game. So kabaddi. Kabaddi. Okay. So next, so two children are there and mother, their mother, she is there. So what she is doing? She is telling the story to the children. So storytelling, so where is it indoor or outdoor? So she can do it in indoor and outdoor also. So yes, they are playing in the pond and mother, she is telling the story. So storytelling is an indoor game. Okay, so now the last one is here. So what is the last one? What these boys are doing? They are playing karate. Sorry, karate. So karate, it is a outdoor game or indoor game? Karate, is it outdoor game or indoor game? Indoor game. Yes. Okay, so two are here outdoor games. Sorry, so karate is out. We can play it in indoor and outdoor also. So better to tell it in the outdoor. Yes, so two other we have to write. Here we can see. So indoor games, Ludo. Yes, and one more outdoor game is Coco. Okay, hockey. So many we can write it in outdoor games and indoor games. Okay, students. Yes. So take it down. Yes, students. So now we will stop here, and tomorrow in this next class, we will continue with our next activity.